Joining me is Philip Serlin. He's Chief Financial Officer of the biopharmaceutical development company BioLineRx. And Philip, we'll talk about your company in a moment. But first of all, if I can get your thoughts on the OECD downgrade of Israeli growth forecasts and your concern about the way it may affect Israeli businesses?
Yeah, so, still you can see that the growth forecast is still pretty high compared to most of the other OECD countries. I think from a perspective of BioLine, it's less crucial right now because our company is a project development company, and also the timelines in the biopharmaceutical industry, especially for development companies, are very long term. So the fact that there is a growth forecast that was cut for now for the next year or two is less crucial for a company like BioLine because our outlook is long term.
All right, so I just wanted to focus then on BioLineRx, where, of course, you're the CFO of that company. And you've recently won approval from Indian regulators to start the next phase of the clinical trial for your schizophrenia drug, BL1020 or 1020. You say that it has the edge over rival treatments because it promises to improve quality of life for sufferers, and that makes you believe that you have a potential blockbuster on your hands if it's completed in the first quarter of 2013. That's a big if, isn't it?
Of course it's a big if, although we feel rather confident because we did a rather large Phase 2B study that was completed in 2009, and at that time we showed that a significant improvement in cognition. It was an exploratory endpoint at that point, and now what we're planning to do is do a validation study, a large validation study that, as you said, will be completed in Q1 2013. And this study is using a battery that's well accepted by of testing for cognition that's well accepted by the FDA. It's also a 6-month study, which is also a requirement of the regulators. And we believe that if this study is indeed successful,
well, thank
we
you
show
very
robust
much.
data,
Really good to get your thoughts from the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange.